Okay, back to our figure now. He's starting to look pretty darn good. Kind of take this off, flatten this on a little bit back here. Okay, now let's go ahead, cut this in here, bring this up, cut this in here, bring that up, there we go. Okay, now let's go in here, and what we're going to do is we're going to draw his, we're going to put a coat on him, okay? So what we're going to do is come about down to here to the middle, and we're going to come around with that coat like this, okay, toward the bottom, okay? And I'm going to go all the way around the bottom. Now you can measure it if you want to. I'm not going to measure it. Come around, and what we're doing is coming up, and then we're going to come down like this and join the coat. Okay? Did you see that? Where I went all the way around with it and then came up. So come up a little bit more like that. There we go. Now I'm going to take and I'm going to come this way, and right there in the middle I'm going to remove that like that, in other words. See? Okay. And I'm going to go around the bottom here and I'm going to take this off, this area off here. There, just like that. And then I'm going to go all the way around the figure with my knife and remove that wood right there. Now I know that I do things a little bit faster than people, but I'm making a video, that's why. I mean, I know I carve a little bit slower, quite a bit slower whenever I'm not doing a video, because I have limited time. I try to make my cuts a little bit sharper and stuff like that. But for a video, I don't want it to just keep going on and going on and going on and going on. So I may do things a little bit faster than you're going to do them, but that's okay. Now, come in on here and just kind of remove that wood, just kind of round that off in there at the bottom here. Just like that. See? Okay. Now from that point, we're going to bring it up to here, the middle part, okay? But in the meantime, from this point, we're going to make a scarf, a red scarf. He's got a red scarf that goes around him. So we're going to come here and we're going to draw a little scarf all the way around his neck here. Okay? I might have to sharpen, excuse me. That's why I sharpen my pencil. Okay? I'm going to make that scarf, let me put my knife down. I'm going to make that scarf come all the way around here, and then it's going to go down just like this, okay, and come across here like this, and then this is going to meet down here like that. Okay? Now actually what happens is the scarf, excuse me, scarf actually comes out like this and then comes back here and goes all the way up to here, okay? And then this just comes around and meets with it. Just like that, okay? But the scarf actually comes down here and meets like that. And what you do is just like what you would do other. You follow the on there and all the way to the back with your knife. You can do it with a V-tool if you want to. That's alright. If you want to do it that way. And you remove the wood like this. Okay? And from here, you remove the wood here. Alright? And you go all the way around. Like that. See, and then the scarf comes all the way around him. Now, from the back, he also has where the scarf comes down from here. So what we're going to do is where the scarf comes up down here, he also has it going down the back. So all we're going to do is just draw here. Let me kind of, there we go. And we could have drawn that, but it doesn't matter. I'm going to draw down here where it comes down the back, comes over, and then comes up and joins in with your scarf. And the same thing here. You're going to come down, you're going to come down, and then you're going to remove this wood right here. See? Just like that. And then you just kind of do this like this where it joins into it. And I'm going to take a little bit more off in here. Stuff. See? And of course, I'll show you in a second something else.